Hi, this is Dean Wedekind with Maxi-Lift again. And you may be wondering, how important is the traction between my elevator head pulley and my expensive leg belt? Well, if you want that expensive leg belt to last a long time, the traction between those two is going to be really important. Let's run our little sample bucket elevator here for just a few seconds. Now, when I started up this bucket elevator, it took just a couple of seconds for the head pulley to get at the full speed. It happened pretty quickly, but it wasn't instantaneous. And the reason is because there is somewhat of a soft start or variable speed right there built into the electronics of this little model. If you don't have that in your bucket elevator, what's going to happen is that the head pulley is immediately going to want to start spinning at whatever the final RPM speed is supposed to be. The belt is not going to want to start spinning at that speed because it may have some product in the buckets, may have some product in the boot, or just the sheer weight of the belt is going to keep it from wanting to take off at that speed. It's going to be really important that you've got some good traction on your head pulley with something like slide lag, because then it's going to have that traction to pull your belt around as quickly as possible and get it up to speed with as little slippage as possible. Now, I called this slide lag. Many of you are familiar with it. This one happens to be curved to a 6-inch diameter pulley, which is actually a little bit bigger than the pulley we've got in our sample bucket elevator here also. But you can get slide lag in 6-inch diameter up to much larger diameters as well. We have easy lag available as well, in which you've got lagging that has pre-cut indentations in the back so that you can bend the lagging to whatever the diameter of your pulley is. Now, if your bucket elevator has slide lag in it already and you're thinking about checking on that slide lag, what you want to do is get to the inspection door up here so that you can look up underneath and see how good the lagging is. If the lagging needs to come out, you're going to slide it out. And when I say slide, you see that these retainers here are going to be mounted on the pulley. This one happens to be a double retainer. This one is a single retainer because that's going to be the place where you start the installation process of a new pulley. Let's say, for instance, you don't have good lagging on your head pulley and you want to put on slide lag. You're going to take this single retainer and you're going to bolt it into place. Put the lagging into place and continue on around using double retainers. As you go around, when you come back around up the other side, another single retainer will match up in the same place. You do the same process with the easy lag, but you'll have it pre-bent to the diameter that you need. Lagging in a grain or feed facility is going to be very important that it's static conductive, oil resistant, and flame retardant. The lagging that we have for you for your grain facility is going to have those characteristics. It's extremely important so that you don't have a problem with an explosion in your bucket elevator. If you have questions about lagging or any other parts of your bucket elevator, get in touch with us. This is Dean Wedekind with Maxi-Lift.